Hello and welcome to my channel. Here today I am going to discuss about SolidWorks. In this course, you are introduced to concepts and design processes in a high level approach. So friends, पहले हम लोगों को जानना होगा what is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a solid modeling CAD and CAE program owned by Dassault Systems. SolidWorks is used by millions of engineers and designers in worldwide. With so many capabilities, it's no surprise to find that it competes with the best in the CAD industry, allowing users to push the boundaries with design and engineering. This courses is organized to reflect the way that you use the SolidWorks software. It is focusing on the fundamentals of using SolidWorks, including parts, assembly, and drawings. In fundamentals, introduce design concepts, SolidWorks terminology, and provides an overview of help options. In parts, demonstrates design methods, tools, and features commonly used to make parts. In assemblies, shows how to add parts to an assembly, specify mates, and use in context design methods. In drawing, discuss drawing sheet formats, views, dimensions, annotations, and bill of materials. Before we get started learning the fundamentals of creating parts, assemblies, and drawings, I like to take few minutes to cover an important area of SolidWorks, that is SolidWorks interface. चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं. इसको खोलने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. I begin by pressing new icon. A window will appear asking whether you would like to create part, assembly, or drawing. These are the three main types of files in SolidWorks. Now notice the advanced option here. The advanced option gives you access to additional templates. This is used for customizing. I will talk about it in another lessons. चलिए फिर से नो वाइज में चले जाते हैं. Now I select part and then click OK. And SolidWorks open a blank document. SolidWorks document windows have two panels. The right panel is the graphics area where we create and manipulate a part, assemblies, and drawing. Left panel is manager panel. This is the feature manager design tree. This is the property manager, and this is the configuration manager. Friends, don't worry about exactly what it means right now. We will go to much deeper details how to use these functions in this course. You can access all SolidWorks commands using menus. SolidWorks menus use Windows conventions including sub-menus and check marks to indicate that an item is active. You can also use context toolbar by clicking the right mouse button. Please see user interface overview carefully. Take your time. If you cannot see the status bar, click view on the menu bar and select status bar. अब लोग एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं.